Now, El Nino season is honestly brutal on our scalp and hair. The constant heat, dryness, and sweat buildup can leave your scalp feeling irritated, itchy, and dehydrated. So in this video, I'm sharing my cooling DIY mint herbal hair rinse and oil that helps refresh the scalp and bring back moisture. So let's get into it. The first one that I'll be using is lemongrass. Lemongrass helps refresh the scalp by reducing excess oil and buildup that can clog the hair follicles. Its soothing and clarifying properties may also help support a healthier scalp environment for stronger hair growth. And then the next one, of course, is peppermint. Peppermint creates a cooling sensation that helps stimulate and awaken the scalp. It may help improve circulation, leaving the scalp feeling refreshed while supporting healthier looking hair growth. Now the next one is coconut oil. Now coconut oil deeply moisturizes dry hair and reduces protein loss that can lead to breakage. It also helps softens the strands, it improves shine, and it protects hair from dryness and damage. And the last one is rosemary. Rosemary is commonly used to support scalp circulation and help promote healthier hair growth over time. It may also help strengthen the roots while keeping the scalp balanced and refreshed. Now for the cooling DIY mint herbal hair growth rinse, all we need is 1 stalk of fresh lemongrass. So I'm just gonna cut this into pieces, and then 1 to 2 sprigs of fresh rosemary, or you guys can also use dried rosemary, a handful of fresh peppermint leaves that I'm going to crush right here, 2 to 4 cups of water. Now, of course, all I did is I add all of the herbs in the pot with the water, let it simmer gently for 10 to 15 minutes, let it cook completely, and then strain it. Now, how to use this? Of course, after shampooing your hair, slowly pour over your scalp and hair and massage gently for 1 to 2 minutes. Now, leave that on for a few minutes before rinsing lightly or simply leaving it in. Just because this doesn't actually dry out your hair and it doesn't smell bad either. Now this is perfect from heat, sweaty scalp buildup, and it refreshes the scalp during, of course, this El Nino weather. Alright, now for the cooling mint hair growth oil. Now what I'll do here is I'll use coconut oil, and then 1 stalk of lemongrass, and then 1 tablespoon of rosemary, and a handful of peppermint leaves. Now I'll add everything into a clean container. I'm just gonna do the double boiler method and warm on low heat for 20 to 30 minutes. Do not fry the herbs, okay? So keep the heat low. Now strain and store in a clean bottle or jar. Now, how to use this? Just apply a small amount to the scalp and then massage gently. Leave on for 30 minutes before washing, and you can use this 1 to 3 times weekly. Now this is great for dry and overheated scalp, for brittle hair ends, and it improves softness and shine. Now here's a bonus tip. Just for extra cooling, go ahead and refrigerate the rinse during extremely hot days. That cold herbal scalp rinse feeling during El Nino is so satisfying. Now after using this consistently, my scalp feels so much more refreshed, balanced, and less dry from the intense heat. Now the cooling sensation from the peppermint and the lemongrass feels amazing on the scalp, especially during this heat wave. My hair feels softer, healthier, and more revived afterwards. And if your scalp has been feeling very hot, oily, dry, or stressed lately, this little herbal ritual is honestly such a game changer. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it to a friend if you found this content valuable, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!